Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
I want to thank you for joining us here today as we unveil and celebrate the new mural at Provident Hospital of Cook County. I want to thank Commissioner Bill Lowry, as well as the Cook County Health Foundation, which is sponsoring these murals, led by Chair Joe Flanagan, who is represented here by Executive Director Sylvia Zaldivar. That's better, huh? I want to recognize Israel Rocha, who will be joining us shortly, Ling Dang, who's Chief Experience Officer, Dr. Arnold Turner, who is Chief Hospital Executive at Provident, all our staff at Provident, and our featured mural artist, Damon Lamar Reed. Provident Hospital is a treasured and historic community hospital and an essential location for Cook County Health as we carry out our commitment to providing equitable, accessible health care. Over recent years, we've invested more than $8 million in the Provident campus to expand access to care. I'm excited that we're here continuing to invest and work to make this an inviting place for healing. We know there's a link between mind and body, and when it comes to pain, stress, and anxiety, that's especially true. A 2016 study asked patients in the hospital to describe what they were looking for in a healing environment. Patients spoke about the importance of having a space that evoked feelings of calmness, relaxation, and comfort. With this mural, our patients and staff will see warming colors and themes that represent the individuals we serve here. I'm grateful to Mr. Reed for his work to help make Provident Hospital a welcoming space and one that reflects the patients and the community on the South Side. Now, I'd like to introduce Commissioner Bill Lowry, and I would ask that each speaker introduce the person who follows. Thank you.
Madam President, thank you, and thank you also for your leadership, not just here at Provident, but throughout all of Cook County. I am Bill Lowry. I'm Cook County Commissioner of the 3rd District, and I'm always so proud to be here at Provident Hospital, one of the true gems of the district. You know, just over the last several years, we've opened a new dialysis center here, an MRI center here. We have resumed ambulance access here. And we've started a scholarship program for our neighboring students who are looking forward to a career in healthcare. And all of those are magnificent and amazing feats. But studies have shown that overall healthcare, and specifically mental health care, it's enhanced when a community has around all of the residents green spaces. The community has all around the residents places where kids can go and play, and also areas where you've got culture and art. So today, we're focusing on that aspect, the fact that with this mural, we will have a safe place, a beautiful place for members of this community. And our mission, as I say, here at Provident is healthcare and mental health care. I applaud you, our artists, for what you're bringing to the community. Your gift will not only be a gift today, but it's going to be a gift tomorrow. It's going to be a gift for our children, for generations to come. What you're doing today will always be appreciated and always remembered. So I thank you so much. And now it's my pleasure to bring up Dr. Arnold Turner.
Good morning. I'm Dr. Arnold Turner, the Chief Hospital Executive of Provident Hospital, Cook County. And I want to welcome you all here to Provident Hospital to participate in another historic moment. I'm excited to celebrate the new mural that reflects the deep roots of Provident has had in the community from its start. Since being founded by Dr. Daniel Hill Williams in 1893 as the first hospital in this nation owned and operated by African Americans, Provident Hospital has been a trusted provider and true community hospital that has always had a commitment to serving those who live and work in and around Chicago's South Side. Today, we are proud to be carrying on Provident's mission by expanding our clinical services, tailoring our care to address the health needs of residents living on the South Side, and creating a warm, healing environment for our patients. It has been said, art is for the soul. It's meant to connect people and places to create something bigger than the individuals involved. This mural reflects Provident's long and rich legacy as a bastion of health equity in the community, caring for people of all races, ethnicities, and backgrounds regardless of their ability to pay. We see in this imagery the pride in Provident's history and the promising future that we have before us. And now, want to bring to the podium Sylvia Zaldivar, Executive Director of Cook County Health Foundation.
Thank you, Dr. Turner and Commissioner Lowry, and of course, President Preckwinkle. Thank you for all your support, Lynn, for all of the wonderful collaboration that you have shown with us, and congratulations to you today on this wonderful day. On behalf of the staff and the board of the Cook County Health Foundation, I want to say we are privileged to have participated in this wonderful collaboration. Philanthropy has a long history of supporting the arts, but public art can be a particularly powerful tool. It helps to express community values. In fact, art expresses life in so many ways. When community members see themselves reflected in social spaces, they feel a sense of respect and allow for people to identify and take pride in the place they are from, live in, or in this case, receiving care. And in this case, we know that this beautiful and inviting art piece reduces one of the greatest barriers to access, which is fear and the stigma associated by many with public health. Just this morning, I was hearing a story about a woman who sits on the advisory council whose mother was in need, and she lived a mile from this hospital and she didn't know anything about it. So those barriers are very real. Art brings people together and community together, and that is exactly the kind of collaborative project that we are so privileged, the foundation and our donors, to participate in. So thank you all, and appreciate your being here, and I'm going to then introduce Lynn.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Lynn Dang, Chief Experience Officer. I had the privilege of introducing you to Damon, and Damon is such an amazing artist. I have this whole bio to read. It's so impressive, but I just want to share how committed he is, how hardworking he is, how creative he is, and the integrity that he has is so amazing. For me to meet an artist who works so many long hours to make sure that the murals are up and ready for us to be here today. Damon, as a young artist, he actually won, he was a winner of the Congressional Art Competition. He's a graduate of Harvard Career Discovery Program in Architecture. After graduating from the School of the Art Institute of Chicago in 1999, he soon after attended the Schwachhagen School of Painting and Sculpture Artist Residency. As an artist and entrepreneur, Mr. Reed has now created over 300 public art projects, including works for Super Bowl 46, Showtime, Gatorade, the Chicago Blackhawks, Ticketmaster, Sears, just to name a few. He just has accomplished so much. So the mural that he has created for us, I totally believe that the value will increase. And we're so privileged to have him here. So I'm going to invite Mr. Reed to come up and kind of share the concept and story behind the mural. Thank you.
All right, how y'all doing today?
Good morning.
Good. Oh, thank you. Well, first, I'm very honored to be able to, create artwork and, add beauty to this building. Me, I'm not originally from Chicago, so, I knew nothing about Provident, But when I came to do a tour, I was actually just walking in the door next to this man, and I was asking him where the entrance was, and he just kind of randomly said, "Yeah, I don't know what I would do without this hospital." So, that kind of like right there spoke to, the power and the, how the hospital is about, community, and how the community is for the hospital. So that was the big the big impression that I wanted to share when I created the art. The other big thing is that when we went on the tour, we went down to the basement, and they actually had the cornerstone. And, you know, I had only saw about the cornerstone like in the Bible. You know, you said the cornerstone. I'm like, what's that? But it was literally like a big, you know, stone they etched in it, in which I put that on the mural, and I showed the community holding up that cornerstone. So, you know, and when I go out there, I can kind of, you know, run by everything. But yeah, it was just an honor to be able to create, you know, something beautiful for a great hospital. So thank you.
Thank you.